Hi, let's have a look at the multi-site support delivered in Magnolia 4.3 milestone 1. Let's start with simple drawing. Imagine you need to create three sites, the global one, then say the Germany and Austria specific site, and you want some Swiss site as well. So for the global site you have content which is in English, uh, and it's using some global theme, and it's running on domain acme.com. For the German side, similarly, you would use the same theme, but the content will be in the German subtree, and you want it to serve under the .de and .at domain. And for the Swiss side, because Swiss are patriots, you want to provide them, or because you are a patriot, you want to provide a special Swiss theme, but the same content, and of course it will be served under domain.ch. Let's have a look how this can be achieved with Magnolia 4.3 milestone 1. So let's start with the admin central. What we do, we create two subtrees, one for the German content with some German specific text, or with everything translated to German, and we have also the English subtree which has the similar content only in English. Apart from that, we create few site definitions. We will use the extends feature of Magnolia 4.3 milestone 1, which was explained by Philip in another presentation, and we create the demo base site which contains all the templates, sets theme, dump support, etc. All the things which are common which you need. Apart from that, we will have the three special sites. The English one, which as you see extends the demo base. In the English side we define the domain. For this example I'm serving it from the local host, so let's call it local-com. This is actually the domain name which would be mapped. I don't have registered the global domain, I just modified my local host file so that it recognizes it as the local host. And we define the website subtree, so we say that anything which comes for that domain we want to be served from the path /.en, which maps exactly to what we have created here. Now the German side very similarly defines the subtree DE for the domains local DE and local AT, and the Swiss side is exactly the same domain local CH, only difference because we want to provide a custom theme. We not only customize the website which points to DE, because for Swiss side we want German text, but we also customize the resources and we point them to /ch. You can have a look how it looks like in the resources. We then have the custom theme, which is just modified pop theme in this case, but it can be completely customized, it can be completely different. So that's how it looks like. Now let's have a look what happens if we access the content from the local host. If I go to the German content, I open the page, and will load. You see I have some German text here, but normal theme. Everything else, the URL is the long one, it contains the subtree. This is same as it was before with Magnolia. The difference happens when you actually access with the specific name. So in this case, if I go for the local DE, I look at the admin central, you see suddenly I see only my subtree, only the German subtree. I don't see all the things there, and if I open that page, you see it's again the German text using the normal pop theme, but the URL is short. Now that would be same for the English, so if I go with local.com, open, I get the page, with the English text, same pop theme, same short URL as before. Now the interesting part is when I go for the Swiss side, where I also customized the theme, and you see I get the German text and with some lovely red color in the background, because that's what the Swiss like apparently. And the URL is again short, you don't see any subtree in there. And that's probably everything. You might also wonder what happens to the links. You see that in that localized site you get only your subtree, you don't see the global thing, but only the part which you are supposed to see. And that's probably it. Goodbye.